this is Tamara from mooglyblog.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make foundation double crochet. I've done another video about foundation single crochet, and you'll see that once in a while, but this one's a little different. It's just foundation double crochet. It's very easy, so I'm just going to show you the first few stitches. Now to start, I've got my slip stitch on my hook, and rather than chaining 2, I'm going to go ahead and chain 3 to get this started. Then a lot of times I like to work into the hump when I'm working into a chain, but for foundation stitches you want to work into the top of that V. So to start my first foundation double crochet, I'm going to yarn over like I normally would for a double crochet. Then going to that very first stitch we made, the one furthest from the hook, I'll yarn over, pull up a stitch, yarn over, pull through one more. This is kind of like our base chain. And then I'll yarn over and work a double crochet, just as you normally would. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Let's make another one. I'm going to yarn over, and this time, as you can see at the bottom, it's hard to see with this first one, but there's kind of a V form there. I'm going to go under those, yarn over, pull up a stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 for the base chain, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now I've made 2 foundation double crochets. Let's make another. Yarn over, turn it over. You can see those V's starting to line up. Go under the 2 V's on the bottom there. Yarn over and pull one up. Yarn over, pull up another loop for the base chain. Yarn over, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And that's all there is to foundation double crochet. Thanks for watching.